So today it's a very simple video. I will use Meta World's desktop editor and I will show you how to make an object interactable. Knowing that I do it for VR, so I have my Quest 3 connected to the PC using the MetaQuest link, and then I will be able to visualize, to have a preview of this world directly to my headset. So let's start. I have a very basic scene here with just my spawn point, a light and a few objects, and the object on the table I want them to be grabbable. So I will select the vase here. If you check this object, you go to property, behavior, you will see that there is zero motion, so it means the object is static. So to change that, you will select none and interactive. So now he will interact with the rest of the scene. So you can tell him what kind of interaction he will have. The first one, so we have three objects and actually we have three possibilities. So for the vase I will use grabbable. So it means I will be able to grab the object with my hands on the controller. Okay. For the skull geometry, I will change it. I will use interactive, of course, but I will use physic and grabbable. So here the difference between the two objects is that the vase, when I will grab it, okay, if I let it go, it will just stay at the same position. With the skull, if I let it go, it will use the gravity, the physics of the scene, and it will fall. Okay. So the candle will use a third option, so interaction, and here I use physics. So here it will just use the gravity of this world, but I will not be able to grab it. I will be able to push it. It will interact with the other object or with me, okay? But you can just push it, you cannot grab it, okay? So now we can test. So to test, actually I could use play, but I will just activate here the world simulation. So you need to activate it to be sure that the physics will work, sorry. And now I just need to wear my headset and to click on switch to VR. Okay, so here, let's start. So here I will use my controller. I could use my hands actually. And I click on switch to VR. So I don't know where I am here. Yeah, so here, I'm here. So I will move in front of these three objects. And here I will be able, you see, to select the object. I don't need to be so close to touch it. When you start to be at, I don't know, perhaps 1 meter, you see this circle on the object. It means I can grab it now. So here, if I grab the object, okay, I can take it with one hand. If I let the trigger, the object stays in the air. So I can also decide from where I want to grab it, for example, from here, okay? So the center of the grab of the rotation will be my hand. I can also select it with the second hand, okay, and do some rotation. But as you can see, it stays in the air. So here, the other possibility was the skull. So I will take the skull. So you see the skull, even without grabbing it, I can push it, okay? Because he used physics. So here I will grab it, okay? And then if I touch the other, no, it will penetrate the table too. But this one, if I let it go, it will fall, okay? So here, if I throw it, it will bounce on the floor, okay? This one, I cannot grab it. You remember, there is physics, but there is no grabbing, okay? So here, for that, I could, for example, take this one, and you see the physics works, okay? So here I could, why not, do that, and it will fall on the floor. So it's very basic. This one, we grab it, the skull, grab and physics, and the candle, it's just physics. So that's all for this short video. So I will escape. So it was my first video using Meta World's desktop editor. It's really a very good tool. a bit basic if you compare it to Unity, but you can do very fast a prototype and share it, why not, with some friends who can test it. So thank you very much. Bye.